So I'm editing this video that I made yesterday. I'm like, I don't know if people are gonna think I'm an absolute idiot or if I'm really smart. But I want you guys to check it out. It's not your normal video that you see on here, but hopefully you like it. So I just got an idea for my white ankles. They're really, really white. Before I could move forward with this experiment, I had to put lotion on my legs. Well, they're like dry. So if I take the bronzer, and if I take my ankles, and if I take a brush, I'm gonna create a concoction. That may be weird. I just feel like if I take some of this right here and like put it on here. This is so embarrassing. We can just bronze the crap out of my legs because self-tanner isn't going to work fast enough, and by all means I can't be walking around with shoes or legs that match my shoes. Going places for sure. Now look at that. Now look at that. We're warming things up, bro. We're warming things up. Yes. Make sure you get, you know, down there to the shoe. Oh yeah, see? She good looking, she's sporting a tail now. Now, look at, genius, genius. Do you see that? Besides leg hairs? I gotta hurry and get the dust bunnies out from underneath that's just gross. We'll just clean this up right here. See these things right here? Just fix that. That's not so embarrassing anymore. I don't want you guys to see that I have dirt in the house, because who has dirt in their house? Nobody. Who has dirt in their couch or under their couch? Nobody. Okay, let's look at this again. Do you see? Yep. Mm-hmm. Somebody outside just was like, this is what it resorts to. How we entertain ourselves with Corona is someone's now looking through my windows outside, wondering what the heck I'm doing. Okay, but really, I'm just taking this little guy. Oh yeah. Plugging that in there. Leg hairs and all. I'll definitely be washing this brush after this. That's for darn sure, I can tell you that. No touching my face. All on there good. I'm so tricky. No one will know. And then, I don't have a fake bake that's only part waist because I only had time to do 1/4 of my leg. This washes off today, yo. See that? Now you might say to yourself, why the heck did you do that? But one, I got really white legs, and one of my pet peeves is when my legs match my shoes. That's not okay. 2, that was way easier to do than take off all my clothes and tan my legs. It's not gonna be ready for quite a while. 3, I'm done embarrassing myself. Bye.